Prof. Abdullah Asadi, the Dean of College of Agriculture and Marine Sciences, the honored guest, respected participants. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Man is an associate
contamination could occur like some staphylococcus.
And I'm very thankful to the industry.
My name is Mariam. I was a graduate science specialist.
I'm and we have three flavors: thyme, cumin, and olive oil.
myself and Dr. Nasser.
You took up the board for the next presentation.
Sugars. So these things, the small modification that the halal should be removed for diabetic.
When it is fully yellow and a bit brown, mature, there is the sweetness.
Implementing the highest technology standards.
Thank you all. After a good successful for this workshop on the food product development for less utilized date fruit for quality and safety, we have got a high participant and we have changed the name to a symposium. We are going to repeat this next year with higher number. Thank you.